You know, I'm a huge fan of my LED mask for the face, but I never even thought about visiting an LED light therapy face bar, which is basically a place where you go for a LED facial similar to a nail or brow bar. The Light Salon started off as one of the first of these places in the UK, at least according to their website, and later, after their clients expressed a need for that, decided to launch a line of LED product for at-home use with the same technical stats they used in-salon. From this line stem the Light Salon Boost LED Face Mask and the Light Salon Boost LED Color that we are going to talk about today. Are they worth your money? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Anne, the medical doctor, here to teach you how to best take care of your skin and general well-being. Both claim to do the regular, smooth, firm, and even out the skin through the stimulating effect LED has on the cells and collagen production. And the color claims to stimulate hair growth on top of that. Not because it has different technical stats than a mask, but because you can wear it like a headband. I have talked in depth about the science behind LED light therapy in this video here, so I'm not going to go into detail. What surprised me a little was that, especially with the color, it is recommended to be used on acne-prone areas to help with that. Not an unusual claim, but usually one that comes with the use of blue light to kill off bacteria, a wavelength neither of the devices is using. They probably refer to the inflammation-reducing effect with that, something that happens with red and near-infrared light. Both the face mask and the color, entirely made from silicone and with adjustable straps, come with several adapters for different countries and a bag to keep everything in one place. While not affecting the performance, I enjoy this attention to detail. If you want both of them, there is a set called the Face and Neck Icons that will save you some money. Using them is pretty straightforward. You charge them, 3 blinking dots here will tell you when the charge is done and indicate how much is left before you need to charge them again, and then put them on your clean and dry face. To see results, using them at least 3 to 5 times a week is recommended, but daily use is possible too. The treatment in both has a length of 10 minutes, which is why I personally use them in the evenings after cleansing, pop it on and then meditate for 10 minutes. I must confess though, depending on the day, the line between a deep meditative state and the power nap might have been crossed. Even with daily use, I only had to charge them every 10 to 12 days. You could, of course, walk around when using it. The additional strap that goes on top of your head will keep the mask in place whatever you do. If you do that, you might want to add in eye protectors. Not that the wavelengths do have a negative effect on the eyes, but the light is quite bright, which is why I prefer to have my eyes closed. In terms of fit, they are fully adjustable, comfortable to wear, and stay in place. The only thing I get, and I get that with all LED masks I have tried, is a red mark on the bridge of my nose where there seems to be pressure from the face mask. The collar can be adjusted in width with the strap. I couldn't get it to sit completely snug and close to the skin, so it was always move around a little, but my neck is definitely on the thinner side. Now for the important part, wavelengths used and irradiance. The Light Salon Boost LED Face Mask uses 56 LED with wavelengths of 633 nanometers red and 56 LEDs with wavelengths of 830 nanometers near infrared. The color has 48 LEDs of each. These wavelengths are exactly the ones used in the studies done, so the ones you should be looking for. Each of the tiny lamps you see in the close-up will have one LED for 633 nanometers and one for 830 nanometers, meaning they are evenly distributed. Combining them seems to enhance their effect even further, so I'm very pleased with that. The irradiance, according to the brand, is 30 milliwatts per centimeter square, which is on the lower side. There are ones with up to 50 available on the market, but similar to other popular LED devices on the market. Both are FDA cleared, meaning they are considered safe, not to be confused with being FDA approved, which is a process where you have to prove effects on top of safety, something usually reserved for drugs. I admit I'm a fan of the Light Salon Boost LED Face Mask and Color. They are designed to be comfortable and convenient to use, stick to the recommended wavelengths to stimulate wound healing and collagen production, and even though it has nothing to do with performance, come with extras like a dust bag and travel adapters. After using them for 3 months now, my skin still looks as good as it did with the LED mask I used beforehand. I didn't expect it to improve more. after a certain point that simply won't happen anymore, but the fact that I keep the results makes the mask a recommendation. Instead of the color, I would probably get the bib they offer, as the color's advantages, the flexibility to be used on neck, as hairband, or over the mouth area were wasted on me. If you specifically want to treat your neck though, it is a good option. And while there are more affordable LED products out there, with these ones you get great quality and exactly the wavelengths you should be looking for. So I'd say they are worth your money. With the usual disclaimer, LED devices are an add-on and not a necessity for a good skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, you will most likely enjoy the ones I linked on the screen here. Don't forget to check out the description box for everything else I have to offer, and like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video. See you soon. Bye.